Computer sheets, scissor, some highlighters, a glue. So let's to make it. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like crafts and yourself.